Hi everyone, Duncan from McRae's Window Cleaning here in Brisbane, Australia. Today, as part of my tool review, I'm going to talk about the Unger Ninja, my absolute favourite squeegee. I first came across the Unger Ninja back at about 2013-14, not long after they had designed it. Absolutely remarkable. Really great because you can just click that, interchange, next one, smaller channel, and there you go, simple as. And the great thing is they've got the stars on the channel, which just tells you exactly where to put it so it's center. The other great thing is to change the rubber, you just slide those two clips up and out comes the rubber. When I put it back in, simple slide in, and it uses all the similar kind of rubber. Push the clips back in both ends, it holds it in tight. You don't need to put any cable ties to hold it, it's really solid. Now you can put Pulex rubber, you can put razor red. So for instance here in this one, in my 18-inch, I have, I'm currently trialing this Duraflex rubber, not totally sold on it. Very simple to take that out, move that in, put my favourite rubber of all time, the razor red facelift from Window Cleaning Warehouse in Wales in England, and there I have my Unger Ninja. But another good thing about it is that by pressing that little there, you can have it on a pivot, so you can then tighten the pivot in the pivot screw and just have it on an angle. That can be useful, but sometimes this is the effective way of just having it loose and just working it with a pole when you're having to pull across from side to side. This is a very effective way. This is my favourite squeegee for pull downs, long high pull downs. I can wash across the top, and I very rarely, probably every 300 pull downs I might get one where it leaves a streak, and that's because I'm using the Unger Ninja. And when I discovered that this was the best one ever for pull downs, I don't even bother with others. Occasionally I'll try the Mormon or try the Wagtail, but this is the go-to for large pull downs. So this is always in my bucket. I really enjoy it. This, of course, that I'm showing you is 3 years old, still very effective, works well. Changing is really quick and easy. You have to make sure you keep it clean because the mechanism in there can easily get clogged up with debris from there. And I always also keep my 14-inch in the bucket so that if I need it for something small, I've got that there. The Unger Ninja, available. Sometimes you have to do some research here in Australia. They don't always keep stock. But the Unger Ninja is available at Window Cleaning World in Sydney, so you can drive in and have a look. Also Window Cleaning Supplies in Melbourne. So both of those websites you can order that. Generally speaking, they come separate. You can buy generally you just buy the channel and it's in a packet on its own, and the handle's in a packet on its own. Because I love these so much, I always have spares. So in my workshop I have a spare handle, a spare 14-inch and a spare 18-inch. Because if one of them breaks or for some reason, crazy reason, I lose it, I leave it at a job, I've got my favourite squeegee ready to go. So this is one that you really need. You find it very effective to use as a window cleaning tool. It's solid, it's got a really good feel ergonomically, and while it's not the cheapest, it's probably one of the more expensive ones. You know, like the old saying, you get what you pay for. If you know, you want to be just, yeah, you know how it goes. If you want quality, pay the extra dollar for a quality window cleaning tool. The Unger Ninja, you'll love it. Get it now, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up with you soon. Take care.